Hey guys, this is Ray Chen. So today I want to share with you a coming soon property. This is Ray Chen from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty. And my phone number is 626-789-5768. We have 50,000 buyers in our system. If you want to get your home sold fast for top dollar, give me a call today. And we also can buy your home. And we can, if you buy this home, I can guarantee to buy your home. So now let's take a look at this coming soon property in the city of Lake Forest. This is truly a gem, a diamond, okay? It's a great opportunity. So the home is about 5-bedroom, 5-bath, and it's in a gated community. And there's a bedroom downstairs as well. And location is very convenient. So let me take a look, show you some pictures. This stainless steel appliances, and you have the washer and dryer, laundry room. This is the community with the pool, big size pool, and also gym and clubhouse. Let me show you the location. So it's a great location. It's as you can see, it was in close proximity to all the locations. So this is the property, 108 Pinnacle Drive in Lake Forest. You have the big Lake Forest Sports Park right across the street. And then you have all this, pizza, gas station, LA Fitness. You have Target. It's really convenient. It's a Starbucks. So everything is, and all the banks. So it's a great property, and come buy it before it's gone forever. And it's gated community, low property tax. The open floor plan, 1-bedroom, 1-bath downstairs. It's terrific. Yeah. So give me a call if you're interested in buying this home. And also it's not far from Freeway 241, and yeah, it's not too close where where it becomes noisy. So you can easily get on Freeway 241 and get to 133. So travel wise, is very convenient as well. And we're being close to the south, and the weather is going to be much nicer as well. So again, this is Ray Chen from Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, and give me a call.